Hello all, welcome to this guide on how to add a header field in a related field within your Vtiger CRM system. Imagine this, you're creating a new contact in the Contacts module, and you need to link it to an organization. You'll see an option to connect it with a parent organization. When you click on that related field, a pop-up will appear showing a list of organizations. Now, you want to quickly find the right organization by searching for its website name, and you can't find any field named website. That's why you didn't add the website as the header field in the organization module. Here's the solution. To get the website name to show up in this list, we just need to customize the layout of the organizations module and enable the website field as a header field. Let's take a look at how to apply the solution. Navigate to the Organizations module. Click on Customize, then select Organization Field and Layout. Look for the Website field, click Edit. Check the box for Header View and click Save. That's it. You've successfully added Website as a header field in the Organizations module. Let's verify the change by continuing with the process of creating a new contact record. When you go back to the related field pop-up, you'll now see the website column listed, making it easy to search and select the right organization. For more guides and tips, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.